Today I'm gonna show how to make masala sandwich. I like to order these sandwiches from Mithas, Honest, or Bollywood Grill. I want to share how I make one at home. To start, let's make the masala bread. I'm gonna be using sourdough bread with a nice layer of butter on both sides. Now sprinkling pav bhaji masala, red chili powder, and cilantro. Grill the breads until golden brown. On one side, mix ketchup and sriracha. On the other side, put coriander chutney. On this side, I'm gonna put a good amount of mozzarella cheese. Let's add the veggies, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. Sprinkle chaat masala. Final step is to toast the sandwich, melt the cheese, and warm it up. Enjoy this masala sandwich with onion rings and fries.
For breakfast this morning, I'm going to attempt to make the TikTok viral egg sandwich. Let's get started. Start out by adding about a tablespoon of butter into the skillet. Now you're going to pour in 3 scrambled eggs. You're going to need 2 slices of bread, and you're going to dip it and flip it. And then the same on the other side, dip and flip. Now let this cook until the egg sets. Now that the egg is set, we're going to flip this over like so. Add some cheese and some lunch meat. Now fold in the extra egg on the sides to the top of your sandwich and flip the bread on top of the other slice. Now just let it toast up for another minute or 2 and you will have a fabulous breakfast sandwich.
Oh my gosh, yum.